honestly, the gym is a great tool. Don't get me wrong at all. The gym is an amazing tool to build some muscle, to burn some fat, burn calories and all that stuff. Amazing tool, I promise you. But don't think that you need that. Start where you are. Start with what you have. If you can't afford a gym membership, if you don't live anywhere near a gym, if you don't have the time to go to the gym, look, I'm telling you, you ain't busy to the point where you don't have 5 minutes to spare, or you don't have 10 minutes to spare. I'm not saying that like that's a lot of time, but you can do something within 5 minutes, or within 10 minutes. You can do something. It's all about starting somewhere. Like I said, even if it's just a simple brisk walk like I'm doing now, simply doing something we do on a daily basis, burning calories. Just carve out some time out of your day. And then, like I said, just build from there. Tell yourself 10 steps, or every 3 minutes of my walk, I'm gonna stop and do 10 jumping jacks, or I don't know. You can make up whatever combination you want to make up there. But like I said, I'm here to tell you that you don't have to overcomplicate it.